Oakland Reads Introductory Workshop. Welcome, community partners. We are excited to share this free public resource with you all. In this presentation, we will be covering 3 important pieces of information that makes the Oakland Reads website so special. We will begin with an introduction to the website. Next, we will cover why a tutor or program staff would want to use Oakland Reads to support student growth outside of school. And lastly, we will demonstrate how to navigate the website through a step-by-step guide to the different pages on the menu. What is Oakland Reads? Oakland Reads is an online resource hub for adults to use to support children's literacy development at home to help students on their journey to become strong readers. As a project of the Oakland Literacy Coalition, this free public platform is intended to be a bridge between adults who spend time with students out of school that may need more information about how reading works, what reading skills students are learning in school, and how to support them outside of school time. Why use Oakland Reads as a tutor? Kids' reading success depends on support they get from their teachers, families, and other caring adults. The purpose behind Oakland Reads was to create a central resource that anyone can access. The site aligns with Oakland Unified School District milestones, which are based on California literacy standards, but it's broadly applicable for students in any school setting. By including evidence-based practices and the body of research that is the science of reading, we have customized the website to meet a range of needs from parents or guardians interested in having deeper and targeted conversations at teacher conferences, to tutors or program staff who want to further support student learning outcomes through supplementary reading activities. Based on your interest, for use as a community partner, this section will discuss the features that may be the most useful to tutors or program staff. For community partners, we recommend starting with the Reading Skills Overview, News, and Reading with Children. Reading Skills Overview. You can access this page from the home page or the main menu. Here, you can find information about the skills that research has shown students need to become successful readers. At the top, there's an explanation of how these skills build upon each other to help students learn how to read. The skills are first listed in family-friendly language, with the term that teachers use listed below. Clicking on each skill will open the list of matching activities and videos that explain more about the reading skill and how to support it at home. For example, if you know that a child needs help with phonics, you can go to the phonics page, called Knowing the Sounds of Written Letters, where you'll find a table with clickable links to books you can download to practice different letter/sound combinations. The news section of the website is the place to find up-to-date information and new resources. Check back here for updates. Reading with Children. Regardless of their age or reading level, all children benefit from being read to, either by an adult in person, audiobooks, or videos of read-alouds. On the Reading with Children subpage, you can browse through a selection of videos and examples of how to support students by reading with them, including strategies to help them sound out words, ask questions to help them understand what they're reading, and more. Another important feature of this section are the in-depth reading skill videos from Reading Rockets that show a literacy specialist practicing different reading skills with beginning readers. Click on the underlined titles to view the different videos available. Thank you for taking a moment of your day to see how Oakland Reads can help you support our students' reading success. There's lots more to explore, and we hope that you'll spend some time checking it out and using it to learn more and support the children you work with.